Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is a new vlog of the holiday. It's the second day, well, second full day. So it came, it's the second full day, but it's actually the third day in the Fuerteventura. And I'm the first one up again because
Fly by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean.
that I come show you. This is the fit. This is the fit for today. I've got this little cover-up place on because we're going down to the beach, which means going down into the town. So I thought it'd be best for me to wear this. And then I have my Boohoo Bando bikini top on with my Boohoo Bando key bottom there, which I think, yeah, I could push all the limits. Well, that's filming in a minute.
When you're on a golden sea, you don't need no memory, just a place to call your own, as we drift into the zone, on and in the sun, we'll be
Is it? We're down by the beach now, as you can tell. I didn't bring my camera down because it's Sunday and I wanted to get the camera.
I could cry all day.
Not the most beautiful colours, see. Oh my god, look at it. Yeah, I love it. All over. Let me see if I can get a really, which part are you digging?
Just digging a massive hole.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
So guys, as you know already, we went to the beach for the full day and I didn't get my DSLR down because my phone got so sandy and everything got so sandy that if I was to put my DSLR down it would have been destroyed. So I didn't. But I had my camera on charge, so I've got full charge. I'm going to try to film as much as I can tonight. Actually no, I'm just going to film what I want to film. And yeah, it was a good day out and then we went to the pool straight after and I was just covered in sand, but I didn't even go in the pool again. I literally shielded myself. I put my towel over me to shield myself from the sun because I felt like I was burning and I do not feel like burning today. This is the makeup so far in light.
Well, not me, I asked you to do it, which is stupid because people put from the phones and do it.
I'm currently in the next bed and I think to put my hair up and I'm just thinking back to Luna.
Do you know you got 28 euros? Yeah. If you don't see something you want.
Yeah. We're at my Tapas. Again, I've ordered chicken because it's some kind of thing for me to order chicken on holiday. And there's a bunch of chilies. And then they've got Tapas here, and I'm just going straight for that. Look at that. If you'll focus on the camera. Yep, there you go. That is absolutely gorgeous. You make me feel awkward, and we're just having drinks. So next to it earlier, and now we're sat at Italian. But I got a really nice drink. And so I got to have the mojito, and I'm very, very excited about it. Mojito.
But it's in with the big chunks of fruit on top.
I need to take a photo.